Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I love fabric and I love sewing with prints, but you know, they take the difficulty level up a notch when you're trying to make elevated looks. That's why I created a class to help you serve fashion when you're sewing with patterned fabric. Here's a look at my class on sewing with prints. I always want to elevate my wardrobe to make it look professional, but also stand the test of time. Anyone who looks at my clothes can see the love and effort that goes into them. That's because I pay attention to the details. Hi, my name is Robin Andrea Burgess. I'm a sewist and founder of Styles InSeams, a fit-obsessed sewing blog and indie pattern business. I started sewing 6 years ago, after decades of struggling to find clothes that fit my 6'2" body, my budget, and my bold, cheerful style. I taught myself how to design and sew a handmade wardrobe. Now, I am proud to say that I have not bought clothes since 2018. Everything I wear, I create from my imagination and my sewing machine. I want my garments to reflect the effort I put into them. A big part of looking expensive is elevating your design choices to reflect the level of attention to detail that isn't seen in low-budget garments. In this class, we're taking on a tricky subject for designers: sewing with prints and patterns. I'm going to show you how to choose the right prints and place them in ways that will make the garment and the wearer look incredible. You'll learn how a little skill and just a bit more mindfulness can dramatically improve the quality of your sewing creations. You should take this class if you're comfortable sewing garments but ready to take your style to the next level. Let's demystify pattern placement together and unlock new levels to your sewing skills. I'm so excited to give you all my secrets. Let's get started. Are you ready to look expensive? Well, guess what? You can actually watch this class for free. With my exclusive link, you'll get 1 free month of Skillshare to watch all 5 of my classes, plus their entire catalog of thousands of classes on creativity. After your free trial, there's tons of value to stick around for, with new classes added on the daily. Click the link in my description to get started. This class is going to keep your sewing from looking seriously funked up. Be the envy of all the sewing girlies with prints that match up. You're going to learn how to place prints on your body for maximum effect, how to line up patterns, achieve symmetry, flatter your shape, and how to match seams, even if you're sewing with solids. All of these techniques will help your handmade wardrobe look totally elevated. Again, click the link in my description to get access to this class and all of the classes in my learning path. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more sewing, DIY, and lifestyle content. I hope to see you soon.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my